Starting something new can be scary and daunting. And even though we live in a time of instant access to basically unlimited information, we still find ourselves stuck on the same questions. Where do I start? How do I start? Which way do I even go? We have these doubts because we really don't have a pathway in our minds for this new thing we're trying to do. And social media is making it worse. The personalities that we follow, the celebrities that we look up to, they often only show us the best, but not much of the struggle and the journey. And this makes us feel unaccomplished, defeated. Like, why am I even trying? I'm never gonna be that good. I'm never gonna reach that level. But the truth is, experts were not born experts. They too did not know at one point. But we forget. We forget that the only person we should be competing with is ourselves. And that feeling accomplished should not be in comparison with someone else. We forget that small victories are huge and that moving forward is beautiful, no matter how slow. We forget that hard work is actually pretty hard and nothing amazing comes easy. And sometimes you have to stop planning and just do. We're never too old and never too young, and that ultimately we're rewarded by the amount of effort that we put in. If you're scared about starting something new, that's probably a good thing. I have these doubts all the time, these discouraging thoughts. I'm learning this as I move along, and if anything, this is a reminder for myself to take it one step at a time.